Hello and welcome to this channel Programming Fever. In this video, I am going to introduce a new project called AdvocAI. Before diving into the details, let me first give you a quick demo. As you can see here, we have an option to register or log in into the account. Since I already have an account, I will simply log in. Once you are on a dashboard, you will notice the option to chat with an AI lawyer. Before I start asking question, let me explain this model is trained on Indian Constitution, CRPC and IPC questions and answers. So all the responses are based on this legal dataset. Let's try it now. I will ask what does section 63 refers to, and you can see it gave us the correct answer. Now I will ask what is included in section 35, and again it responds accurately. What's more, you can even ask question in regional languages. For example, I will switch to Kannada and ask this question. As you can see, it still provides the correct result. On the left hand side, you can also find the chat history where all the previous conversations are saved for easy references. So that is the demo of the project. Now let me show you source code and report of this project. So this is the source code of the project built using Django framework. The backend is written in Python while the frontend uses HTML and CSS. And here is the project report formatted in a professional template which is included in complete project package. So if you are interested in this project or you need any modification in this existing project, then feel free to message me on Instagram ProgrammingFever. I will provide you a link in the description. Please check it out. And if you find this video helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.